movie releases on the 14th of November. And guys, we're here for the trailer launch. And we also have the star cast. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the actors? Yes? Thank you so much. And Delhi, this time we're actually in great luck because the trailer comes out in the evening, but for the Delhi media, we are exclusively going to watch the trailer. So before we start with the trailer, just a small humble request to all our friends in the media that you guys please don't record and of De De Pyar De 2, please start clapping and give it up for Mr. Ajay Devgan, Madhavan sir, Rakul Preet Singh, for Ajay sir, Madhavan sir, Rakul Preet Singh, Mizan, and also our director, Mr. Anshul, if you could also join us, please. Guys, बहुत सारा दिल्ली वाला शोर चाहिए यार. Come on, guys, till they come on stage. First of all, thank you to everyone for allowing Delhi public to view it for the first time and exclusively for us. The trailer is fantastic. This is so funny. Thank you so much. Can we again please make a lot of noise for the trailer? Yeah? Come on. Thank you guys. First of all, please, it's a group question. Do let us know. Delhi में आके आप लोग exclusively हमें theater दिखा रहे हैं. The love you guys have for Delhi and for the Delhi public. If you guys want to say something.
यार देश की राजधानी है, यहाँ के लोग राजा की तरह बिहेव करते हैं, तो उनके लिए सबसे पहले ट्रेलर दिखाना तो बनता ही है. So thank you guys. I hope you like the trailer and you like it. That's why we love you too.
Also, Ajay sir, fantastic trailer. It's so good to see you guys again in this franchise. I've personally really loved the first one. It's one of my favorite films and so happy to see you again in a very comedic role. I wanted to know this personally. इस movie का जो theme चल रहा है, which is प्यार versus परिवार. So I really wanted to know this, sir, real life में कभी आपके साथ काजोल मैम के टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ कि एज अ बॉयफ्रेंड जब आप गए तो आपने भी कोई टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स अपनाई हो टू विन द परिवार विद द प्यार?
नहीं, हेलो एवरीबॉडी. नहीं, उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. थोड़ा बहुत तो करना ही पड़ता है, बट बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी उसकी.
बट मे बी सर, जो इतने सारे लोग हैं जिनको आप प्रॉब्ली कोई टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स देना चाहिए कि ज़्यादा ओवर स्मार्ट मत बनो और ऐसे
ज़्यादा ओवर स्मार्ट मत बनो. जो जितना रिलेशनशिप में बिहेवियर निभा सकते हो उतना ही करना. ज़्यादा करोगे तो फिर एक्सपेक्टेशन ज़्यादा हो जाएगी.
Rakul, so nice to see you again in this film playing as Aisha. Wanted to know how refreshing was it, because you've done a series of work after the first one, and how much do you relate to the character and how refreshing was it to play Aisha again?
You know, Aisha is one of my most favorite characters, and the kind of love that Aisha's character got from De De Pyar De 1, I think all of us were very excited, not just me, for reliving that. And I think she's a very feisty girl, बहुत ही मज़ेदार character है. So I've had even more fun. I can say double the fun while shooting part 2, and I really hope everyone gives double the love.
I have a second question for you, Rakul, because the theme of the movie is Pyar versus Parivar. So I want to give you a situation here.
Okay.
Let's say it's your birthday, right? And you're cutting a cake. आपके left side में आपका प्यार है और आपके husband, and आपके right side में आपके father साहब है, which is your परिवार. तो जैसे आप birthday का केक काटेंगे, आप पहला bite किसकी तरफ लेके जाएंगे? प्यार की तरफ कि परिवार की तरफ?
मैं 2 स्लाइस काटूंगी. मैं 2 स्लाइस काटूंगी और दोनों ऐसे खिलाऊंगी.
और दोनों खुद खा लूंगी would be better.
नहीं, फिर दोनों से लेके खा.
दोनों से लेके खा लेंगे. What a brilliant answer. Can we have a round of applause, please? Madhavan sir, really wanted to know, you're playing kind of like a villain in this pura parivar ka drama.
Not
and
at all
second time
villain.
you're working.
Not at all villain. Not at all villain.
सर हमें जो लग रहा, हमें तो आपके लिए वो लग रहा था ना कि हमारे अजय सर के साथ मैडी सर कैसा कर रहे हैं, हम तो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देख रहे थे. तो and again second time working with Ajay sir, how was the experience, and also jumping in on the sequel of the franchise, how was the experience for you?
For me, I'm in love with Ajay sir. So whatever he calls me for, I want to do it with complete love and dedication. So I knew that I was jumping into a family that had already been established, and but it was such an awesome experience. Anshul, the director, made the whole family whole by like, you know, getting us all together and making us feel so wanted, especially me and Mizan, who are new to this cast. And we didn't feel like we didn't do the earlier film. And working with Ajay and Rakul and Mizan and his father and everybody, it has been, you know, very rarely can I say कि I was feeling sad when pack up happened.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, कि यार पैकअप के बाद अगर आपके एक्टर्स सेट पे रुके रहते हैं बातें कर रहे हैं, I think that's a very good sign that they're really enjoying their work, and if they're really enjoying the work, I'm very sure the audience will enjoy it.
The bond shows at the trailer and also here. Mizan, what an entry in the trailer. Yeah, the whole crowd was just going crazy, and in fact, the Ajay sir's punch after that. 30 साल बाद आप ये कर रहे हैं, कितनी ट्रेनिंग या टिप्स आपने अजय सर से ली इसके लिए?
नहीं, बहुत ही एक्चुअली गाइडेड मी एंड हेल्प मी आउट थ्रू आउट द होल प्रोसेस, एंड आई एम सुपर ग्रेटफुल कि ऐसी टीम के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला. You know, I would like to thank Bhushan sir, Ajay sir, and Love sir for this, and thank you Anshul sir for bringing out the performance, and it's an honor truly to be standing on stage with my fellow co-stars, and I thoroughly enjoyed the process.
अब जब ट्रेलर पे वाला सीन आ रहा था, ऐसे जब आपका सीन आपने मुड़ के से अजय सर की तरफ देखा कि ये क्या रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं तो सिर्फ टांगों को देख रहा था कि भैया वापस जुड़ जाए जल्दी से.
अंशुल सर, you know, आप सेकंड पार्ट पे आके डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. So as a from a director's point of view, how is it challenging or is it fun, because you have to maintain the storyline from the first one and yet also have your own taste and a sense to it. So how was it like joining the whole crew and making this crazy movie out there?
यार उसका सेकंड पार्ट का इसके प्रोज भी हैं, कॉन्स भी हैं. प्रोज ये है कि कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं अजय सर का, रकुल का, वो सब पहले से बने हुए हैं, उस पर आपको ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना है. बट मैडी सर, गौतमी मैम, ये सब जो पूरी नई फैमिली है, वो नए कैरेक्टर्स थे. तो प्रोज भी हैं, कॉन्स भी हैं. बट मैं फर्स्ट पार्ट में भी क्रिएटिवली
I
इन्वॉल्व
just
था.
wanted to
तो
say कि Anshul was there in the first part also throughout.
Oh,
या सो
sorry, bad research on my part. No. Okay. Now, sorry. Yes. Now, I would also like to call all the producers and the whole team so that we can open the questions for the media as well. Can we, with a huge round of applause, can we please welcome Mr. Bhushan Kumar, Mr. Love Ranjan, and Ankur Garg as well. Can we have you guys on stage also, please? And we can also now start with the media questions. We can start taking questions from the media.
Hi everybody. It's so nice to see you all here in Delhi. So Ajay sir, I want to ask you two questions. Firstly, this is your, you know, the Cinex. I want to know the mind of Ajay Devgan as the business entrepreneur versus the actor. How does it work? Is there any difference?
No, business, I mean, I think there's not much difference. I mean, there's passion in both. When you're working in a film, you love filmmaking, and when you're performing also, so you do it with full passion. And when you do business, and business which is connected with the film industry, because the passion is for the film industry. So it's the same kind of passion. I mean, the hard work we do so that y'all can watch the films. So we should create an atmosphere also where you can watch it comfortably and enjoy it.
And talking about passion, I like your conviction over more than 3 decades now about working relentlessly, bringing various genres, you know. And this is hilarious, how hilarious I would say. Despite the current scenario, what is that one thing that keeps you going? I mean, there would be people writing anything, whatever is happening, but you have this.
You really need to believe in yourself. You need to trust your instincts and keep working. I don't think there's place for too much insecurity. I think life is too short for that. And that is what I keep telling the younger generation also. If you really like something from your heart, go ahead and do it. चलेगी नहीं चलेगी बाद में देखेंगे. But अगर आपको दिल से पसंद आई है कोई चीज़ तो करनी चाहिए.
Maddie, on a lighter note, what was it like to play Ajay Devgan's girlfriend's father in the film?
I was very nervous. कि कभी बाप का रोल तो मैंने किया नहीं है, और वो भी इन अजय सर के साथ compete करते हुए, but I have to tell you कि the reason I enjoy my work so much is because it gives me some amazing people that I get to meet with who enhance the way I look at cinema and my career. So Ajay Devgan sir has been exactly one of those. The amount of security he has on the set, you know. And so I have seen other actors who come there and they are so busy on the set because there are so many things going on. With Ajay sir, it is so exemplary that you learn. He's always 100% on the set. You can't tell that he's got so many businesses going on or he's taking care of the family, his banking, his team, everything. He's 100% on the set. And every shot he's 100% there. So for me, that was such a crazy, enlightening knowledge, and I'm trying to emulate that as much as possible.
And it's very rare that you stay connected with the people you work with all the time after the film is over. But after Shaitan also, Maddie and me have always been connected. I think we got along so well and we've always had a great time and we're still always connected.
Yes, sir.
My question is for Bhushan sir. Bhushan sir, you have built a long-standing partnership with superstars like Ajay Devgan and different directors across genres. What's the key to sustaining these relationships, sir?
Where are you? I can't see you. See, key is means you work hard means and you make great cinema, and we have long-standing relationship with Ajay sir from long. I don't means kitni hamari. I think we have done 7, 8 films together. There is countless films, and it is always lovely working with him. He's so down to earth and he gives that kind of space to the producer. So it's very, very encouraging means when you are working with him. And with love films and love is means again we have a very long-standing relationship. So there's a regular question which I answer every time because इतना ज़्यादा काम कर लिया है साथ में, तो अभी it is like a family and entire people in the film, Maddie sir and Rakul, Mizan, everybody has worked very brilliantly in this film. जो हमने फिल्म देखी है, पूरी टीम ने T series में फिल्म देखी है and it's a very, very good film and Anshul has worked very hard on it. So it's all thanks to him. He has worked really, really hard as a debutant.
Thank you, sir. For Mizan also. Hi, Mizan, you recreated that iconic pose of Ajay sir. So were you nervous when you were trying that pose, and did you take any tips from sir?
To be honest, I was very nervous. It's an iconic pose, which it belongs to Sir, and I was just grateful that they gave me the opportunity to do something like that in the film. At the end of the day, credit goes to the makers. Director ने मुझे वो मौका दिया कि वैसा scene लिखा कि मैं वो कर पाऊँ. But I tried to do it as much as I could. So actually helped me a lot in the scene. But I hope that people like it, and it is actually quite an impactful entrance.
You're also sharing screen with your father. How was that? Was
It is the first time I'm working with my father. It was a lovely experience, and I'm not going to say much. I want you guys to watch what happens in the
It was a lovely experience for him on set. Off set, I don't know, he was running away. He kept running away from his father.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello to you all, sir. Ajay sir, I want to ask a question. This is your 8th sequel, I think. तो सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि मैंने प्यार तुम्ही से किया है. सर भूषण सर यहीं पर हैं सर, प्लीज फूल और कांटे भी दे दो.
अगर कोई अच्छा पार्ट 2 स्क्रिप्ट मिलेगा उसका तो जरूर करेंगे.
थैंक यू सर.
लव सर, हिमांशु दिस साइड. सर हमेशा से आपकी फिल्में देख के आ रहे हैं और जब आपकी फिल्म देखकर बाहर निकलते हैं तो एक अलग खुशी चेहरे पर होती है, और इस बार भी सेकंड सीरीज़ आप लेके आ रहे हैं अजय सर के साथ. किस तरीके का पूरा ओवरऑल मोमेंट रहा, एंड वी रियली मिसिंग तब्बू जी नहीं है इस बार, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यार क्या है ना, ये अगर पार्ट 1 आपने देखा होगा तो उसमें कहानी ये थी कि अजय सर जो आशीष का कैरेक्टर है वो आयशा को अपने घर लेके जाता है. अब वो कहानी तो वहाँ ख़त्म हो गई. तो इस फिल्म में है कि अब लड़की इनको लेके जाती है अपने घर. तो होपफुली ये सबको पसंद आएगी, तो तीसरी में दोनों परिवारों को मिलाएंगे.
हेलो सर, दिस साइड. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है अजय सर आपसे कि पार्ट 1 जब सर दिस साइड जब आपका पार्ट 1 आया था दे दे प्यार तो कहिएगा, तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बॉक्स ऑफिस पे बड़ा हिट हुआ था, तो इससे क्या आप एक्सपेक्टेशंस रख रहे हैं और अपने फैंस को क्या कहना चाहोगे?
यार जो आदमी फिल्म में काम करता है और पार्ट 2 बनाता है, वो जो एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता है वही मैं रख रहा हूँ। आदमी यही सोच के फिल्म करता है कि ये भी लोगों को पसंद आए और चले और उतना ही एंटरटेन करे लोगों को। माई एक्सपेक्टेशन इज ऑल्सो द सेम। और मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हम सबके हिसाब से फिल्म बहुत अच्छी बनी है। अंशुल ने एक बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है, तो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड सबको आई होप पसंद आए।
Ajay sir, this side. You are also known for Diwali releases. So, what is your message for this year's Diwali और आपके क्या plans हैं?
दिस ईयर्स दिवाली का एक मेरा स्पेशल मैसेज है, वो है हैप्पी दिवाली टू एवरीबडी इन एडवांस। और हाँ बस वही है, हर साल वही होता है, हैप्पी दिवाली।
अजय सर इन फ्रंट। सर लव रंजन सर के काम के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए, इसकी जो स्क्रिप्टिंग है और जिस तरीके से उनकी फिल्म्स होती है, प्यार का पंचनामा आपने देखी?
I love Love's films because the way he makes his films और जो लिखावट है, I think वो बहुत ही अच्छी है, आज की है और नॉवल है। जब ये सीन लिख के सुनाता भी है, ही इज सो एक्साइटेड कि ये देखो कुछ नया लिखा है, एंड इट्स ऑलवेज वेरी वेरी नाइस। सो आई लव हिज राइटिंग।
रकुल मैम दिस साइड, दामिनी दिस साइड फ्रॉम punjabkesari.com। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, आपके साथ इस फिल्म में 2 इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार्स हैं, तो इनके साथ बेस्ट मेमोरी कौन सी थी और क्या कुछ आपने इनसे सीखा है?
Well, I think the whole experience is a beautiful memory. अभी मैं एक तो पिन पॉइंट नहीं कर सकती, but like Maddie sir said earlier कि कुछ फिल्में होती हैं, कुछ सेट्स होते हैं कि लास्ट डे पे आपको लगता है कि क्यों ख़त्म हो गई फिल्म. So I think this is one of those films. And I think what I've really learned from, this is my 3rd association with Ajay sir and first with Maddie sir, but what I've learned is that their passion, the hard work that they put in behind the character, it's just amazing. And no matter how many years you've been in the industry, that excitement for a film and that passion has to remain, you know. So I think I've really, really enjoyed the entire journey.
Hello everyone, sir in front here. Yeah, Karan this side. My question to Maddie कि आपकी पहली मूवी जो थी उसमें आपका क्लीन शेव लुक देखा था, आज काफ़ी दिनों बाद आप क्लीन शेव में आए, इसका क्या रीज़न?
मेरे पास अच्छा ब्लेड है।
सर कोई प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है क्या आगे?
हाँ भाई, इस साल तो बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं जिसमें अलग अलग लुक है, तो क्लीन शेवन होने से वो लुक में घुसने के लिए आसानी हो जाती है। दाढ़ी होगा तो मुश्किल है, पर इसी फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं। मुझे रकुल के बाप बन के आना था, तो मैंने
जो आप लग नहीं रहे हो।
ठीक है यार, थोड़ा वो भी अच्छे डाई का कमाल है। बट थैंक यू यार, ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
दिसंबर में लॉन्च होगी, और जब लॉन्च होगी उसके बारे में तब बात करेंगे। थैंक यू।
Ajay sir.
My question is for Ankur. Ankur, in a time when there are so many sequels that are made, which can be hit or a miss, what do you think are the essentials to ensure that the franchisee is kept alive?
Sorry, I didn't hear that question. One second.
In a time when so many sequels are made, which can be a hit or a miss, what do you think are the essentials to ensure that the franchisee is kept alive when you make a sequel?
See, every sequel comes with a lot of expectations, which means all of us who are involved with the film have a much bigger responsibility to fulfill. So all that we make sure is we are able to fulfill that responsibility as as good as possible. At least in this case, De De Pyar De 2, we know it's actually a true sequel. It's not really that we are just using the title. It's actually a true continuation of a story. So people who have seen the first film are definitely gonna enjoy watching the the second part of the story.
All right, thank you so much to our friends in media.
Thank you.
This moment calls for a group picture. Can we also have on stage co-producer of the film, Mr. Shiv Chanana, President T-Series, Neeraj Kalyanji, and the DOP of the film, Mr. Sudhir Chaudhary. If you guys can come on stage for a group picture.